am showing you the ice video, ice video. So come with me. So this is my home and this is where across the horse. So we have come into the ice bears. So you can see some of the ice I have poured. Some of the ice I have poured in this, and this have become jam. Okay, this no have ice. Okay, come on, come on. So I see the ice cubes are bowing. I think no, there's the water come out. You can see the crackling sounds of some of the ice. And
बना वापस कर हाताला नाही असा मध्ये
असू दे कर. Okay, the crackling sound of water and water has fallen into bed. Okay, and so now you can see some of the ice have poured in this table, and we have
वापस कर
what the fuck happened there? Okay, I checked this out. What this? So you can see the ice cubes. The ice cubes. And this is the ice cube.
जंगली काढायला लागल कधी भेटती
Ice cubes and ice cubes.